was starting to cloud up and thundering because it was headed this way. Now it's blowing over us.
Are you nervous, Nelly?
I ain't had time to even get my damn tomatoes in or nothing.
You just said the D word on camera, but it's okay.
Oh my god. Wait,
See, now it's blowing over.
That almost flipped over a chair. What, Bella? I think your slippers are still out there.
Yeah, both of ours. Whatever.
I don't think this is a moderate risk.
Hey, China. He's like, I
What
need
the-
to get to my people.
We're under a modular risk, but this doesn't look like a modular risk. I just got the special weather statement. It wasn't an EAS. Look at this. As soon as I just came out there, the rain started to pour, and then all of a sudden the hail came in. Oh my gosh.